Okay, let's make lasagna. I've got butternut soup that I'm not going to ever eat. That box took about 4.25 cups of semolina, added gradually as you'll see. Once combined, use your hands to get in there and knead. You'll see me using a squishing motion in comparison to the traditional knead. It's just because I'm trying to get the dough together, so to speak. Cover and keep on the counter for 3 hours. While that's going, let's prepare the sauce. I used 6 chilies, a 3/4 of an onion, and 1 carrot diced. And I'm using 96% beef. Ground beef, whatever you call it. I season each layer, salt, pepper, and taste as you go. Brown the meat, add the carrots, then add the onions and chilies. This is garlic granulated powder. This is coriander powder, turmeric, and cumin. Ginger and garlic paste. Deglaze with liquid of choice. I use 1 can of tomato. Use 2 if that's your choice. I don't like my lasagna runny. A teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Add water as necessary, according to how you prefer your sauce. Jaggery to balance the acidity. Use sugar if you want. Cover, reduce heat, cook, keep checking, season, add water. In the meantime, let's work on the cheese sauce. Butter, cream cheese, milk, parmesan, salt. Check your sauce, finalize your seasonings. I added Italian seasoning and more salt and pepper was needed. Three hours later, we check on our dough. This is when we knead, like the traditional knead. Flour your surface, of course. This took a while. This took me a good 15 minutes. It's quite a workout. Then cover and keep aside for an hour or 2. Okay, now we roll our lasagna sheets into the desired thickness and layer your lasagna as you normally would. Start with a layer of sauce, then lasagna sheets, then sauce, cheese or bechamel, and keep going. I think I probably used 3 layers here. I like nothing less than 3 layers. And then I topped it off with buffalo mozzarella pearls and Parmesan. I didn't have anything. I just made this with whatever I had in the kitchen. Cover, cook on 375 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and then uncovered for another 20 minutes. And then at the end, I broiled for, I think, 3 minutes or so. There you have it.